Are you tired of having your YouTube feed cluttered with videos from channels you no longer watch or are no longer interested in? Well, you're in luck because I'll show you the quickest and easiest way to unsubscribe from all YouTube channels in just one click. Let's get started. Click on the Subscriptions button located on the left sidebar menu. Then click on Manage in the top right corner. On the Subscriptions page, you'll see a list of all the channels you're subscribed to. Click the first link in the description. You will be redirected to this page. Alternatively, go to your browser and, in the search bar, type YouTube, unsubscribe all. Search for the extension and click on the first result. You'll be landed on the same page. Click Add to Chrome to install the extension. Click Add Extension. Click on the extension icon. Pin the extension by clicking on the pin icon next to it. Refresh your YouTube tab. Now click on the extension icon. Click the Start button and wait until it finishes the process. And you're done. All the subscriptions are removed. Please note that the interface or page changes quite often, so if the page or interface looks different, don't worry. It's the same process with slight variations, but the core steps will remain the same. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance with your website, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.